cockerel says good morning. So much to do, Farmer Tom and Mitch too, down on the farm exploring. Welcome to the farm with Tractor Ted. Let's go see the farm with Tractor Ted. Let's go!
Hi, I'm Tractor Ted, and I live on a farm. This is the farmhouse. And here's Farmer Tom. Hello, Farmer Tom.
Hello, Tractor Ted.
Look, that's Midge the dog. She's very cheeky. I wonder where they're going.
Today, Farmer Tom is going to show the children how blackcurrants are harvested. On the way, Tractor Ted stops to say hello to his friend Merlin.
Hi, Merlin. Oh, hello, Ted. Oh, Merlin, you are grumpy. Guess what we're going to see today? They are a fruit and are small and round, like you. Well, what could that be? I'll give you a clue. They start with a B and they grow on bushes. I haven't got time for games, Tractor Ted. Okay, they are blackcurrants, and they are really juicy. Well, I've never tried a blackcurrant. Oh, I nearly forgot. It's Leah's birthday today, and she's having a party. I said I would go and say hello. See you later. Hi, everybody. Happy birthday, Leah.
Hi.
What have you got for your birthday tea?
Yummy blackcurrant juice. Yummy blackcurrant jam.
Oh, wow, it looks yummy. Who wants to know how blackcurrants grow?
Me!
I better go. I've got to meet Farmer Tom and Midge. Bye.
I'm Tractor Ted.
Farmer Tom and Midge have just arrived at the blackcurrant farm.
Come on, Midge.
Wait for me! Wow, these blackcurrant bushes are really tall.
Oh, you are very small.
Midge didn't see Tractor Ted arriving.
Hey, Tractor Ted, where have you been?
I went to see Leah on the way. She was having a party, and they had blackcurrant jam sandwiches. Look, Midge, the bush goes all the way to my door.
Oh, look, the children have been hiding. The bushes are almost as high as their heads.
Tractor Ted, you said I was small, but I'm very fast. Let's have a race.
You're on! Whee! This is fantastic fun! Come on, Midge! Whee!
Now the children are racing too. Come on, Tractor Ted, keep up.
You're all faster than me! I'm going to find some juicy blackcurrants.
Okay, I'll go and find the others.
The bushes in the next field are much taller and are full of lovely, juicy blackcurrants.
They look really yummy.
Farmer Tom is checking them to see if they are ripe enough to harvest. Oh, look, here comes Les. He's got their lunch in his picnic basket. I wonder if there are blackcurrant jam sandwiches in there. Uh-oh, looks like Les has forgotten to pick up the basket.
Farmer Tom, I've come to see the harvester, but that tractor looks too small.
That's mowing between the bushes to keep the weeds down.
Can I go and watch it?
Yes, but be careful.
Thanks, Farmer Tom.
The cutters on the front mow the weeds and grass. Up and down the rows it goes.
Whoa, I better move. Farmer Tom said be careful. Look, look, there's the harvester.
I'm such a happy harvester with a job I have to do. I'm picking all the black currants, I'm picking them for you. I pick them from the bushes and then they whiz along into the trailer as we sing our black currant song. They are juicy and squeezy, they make us drinks and jam. They are juicy and squeezy as I pick them from the land.
Look, Farmer Tom and Les are helping.
I'm such a happy harvester with a job I have to do. I'm picking all the black currants, I'm picking them for you.
Wow, look at how many bushes there are.
Juicy and squeezy, so yummy and so sweet. Juicy and squeezy, black currants we love to eat.
And look at all the berries. That will make lots of jam. Oh no! That's Leslie's picnic basket. And Farmer Tom said I need to keep a safe distance from the harvester.
Driving the Nissan Rogue with Google built in is like
Hey Google, turn on Rocky's Food.
the ultimate connection. Drive the award-winning Nissan Rogue today.
One of 6 Nissan vehicles with starting MSRP under $30,000.
Tick tock, are you ready to rock? With the new DX4, the fun don't stop. Watch me jump, watch me play. DX4 has me jamming on it. Message friends, play games and more. I can do it all on the DX4. This watch is smart, it'll up your game. So one more time, let me hear that name.
Each sold separately. Ask a parent to help set up your
The
DX4.
new DX4, made for you.
Stop the harvester!
Stop, stop, stop.
Phew, that was close. Well done, Les. Your lunch has been saved.
When the boxes are full of blackcurrants, they are taken back to the farm. A forklift lifts them up and loads them into a huge lorry, which will take them to the factory.
That's tractor-tastic. There are so many blackcurrants. Follow me. I'm going to go and see some new blackcurrant bushes being planted.
The children are all having a go. They plant baby bushes carefully into the ground. And soon they will start to grow and grow.
Yeah, you can. Where are you going to put yours? Just there? You like another one? Bye.
It's time to go home. The children have had so much fun on the farm today.
Wow, what a great day we've had! Come on, Midge, let's go and tell Merlin all about it.
Tractor Ted and Midge run back to see Merlin.
Merlin, we have been having so much fun today.
What have you been doing to have so much fun?
Come over here and I'll tell you. We had a big race, and even though I'm small, I showed Tractor Ted and the children how fast I was. I know, why don't you and Tractor Ted have a race?
Yes, come on, Merlin, it'll be fun.
Please, Merlin?
Really? Oh, okay then.
Ready, set, go! Come on, Merlin! Come on, Tractor Ted! That was a good race!
Tractor-tastic! I quite enjoyed that.
The best part of the day was seeing how the juicy, squeezy blackcurrants grow.
First, I stopped to say happy birthday to Leah. And the children were eating blackcurrant sandwiches. Do blackcurrants grow on trees like delicious apples? No, they grow on a bush. They need to use a mower to keep all the grass and weeds down. Then a huge harvester comes along and takes all the berries off the bushes.
And Les nearly got his picnic run over.
That does sound like a fun day.
Midge, Tractor Ted.
Farmer Tom's calling us. Come on, Midge, we need to go. Bye, Tractor Ted. Bye, Midge. Bye, Merlin.
Bye, Merlin!
Bye, Farmer Tom. Bye, Midge. We have had so much fun seeing how blackcurrants grow. I hope you had fun too. See you again soon.